Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Habaya keren halor ke election banjit thamai ke MP sya ke yang dorbar thau an kari, sya parliament, kaban salong house Snem arzar ke khandai banwan, u president jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, u ba Celestine Lyngdoh, ulong ba kaseng Congress kan Wanphai biang, ha ke bor Synshar pokari India, house Snem arzar ke khandai banwan. Haba jubab ke jingkeli u ba Celestine Lyngdoh ulong, bahadin ke jingjab haki election, badang shudap shen haki artli ke jela, bakan top ha ke jela Rajasthan ba Chhattisgarh, kaseng Congress kan sawan biang ha ke bor Synshar. Ha ke bedai pat halor ke jing bamiwa Synshar syo jong kaseng Congress hapok ke jela Meghalaya. U ba Celestine Lyngdoh ulong, ba ai ba kipat ba kin bishar ya ke rukom trikam jong sarkar MDA, balai lam da kaseng NPP. Kai ke baglale hakini khandai benai balalet hadin bakla shimti ke bor Synshar hapok ke jela Meghalaya.
We are hopeful that we will come back to power after the 2019 elections. See, everyone has been telling that the time for the Congress is over, especially in Meghalaya. Throughout the country, BJP said a Congress moved Bharat, but the recent results in the different states are an indication of what is to come. Let us wait and see. Let the people know how the NPP is performing. We give the chance to the present government to perform and let the people decide. I think that is a better way of saying it. Let the people experience with this government, because they have also made very tall promises. In 6 months, the coal ban will be removed. What has happened now?
You mean to say that the people of Meghalaya is going to dethrone the present government?
No. The MP election will tell the mood of the people.